Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my supplies and equipment are listed down below. Some of them have links, so check those out. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see the videos when they first come out, hit the notification bell. All right, I'm doing another ring pour. I'm loving how they turn out. Usually have that white going toward the center. But this is going to be a dirty pour. I am just squirting. Well, I'll say I'm squirting. I have something wrong with this. Yeah, may have to take the lid off. And I can't find it. Okay. This is one of my older ones, so I guess I expect something. So there's some of that. I want purple in with this guy, but I'm going to stick it over here on the white. Then I'm going to do some lighter blue. Now my mixture for paint is pretty simple. It is, I just refer to it as 50-50-50. So whatever you do in glue or Floetrol, you do half. So you do 50% of paint and then half of that of water. Then I increase my water a little bit. So if I do 80, for these things I do 80 and then I do 40 of paint. So 80 of glue, 40 of paint. And then instead of doing that 20, I'll probably do about 30 of water. Now I keep working around my cup like this. And as you can tell, I'm not real particular about how I do it because it's a ring pour, everything gets mixed up. I can tell you right now I have a blob to get out. I just saw it jump out of that red. And that just sunk. That is all right. Okay, what do I want to do next? Let's do some white. And we'll go for this blue over here, some purple over here. Green. Let's do some dark blue. I've done it two ways. I've been methodical about it, and then I've just dumped it. I can't tell much of a difference. Other than just dumping it, it's fun. Okay, get some of these things out of my way. Is that going to be enough? I'll do some white. Okay. Let's go for it. So far, so good. All right, get this out of our way. Okay, now I get some white down here. You can't get up here. Yeah, you can't do that. You can't do that. Why are you up here? He'll have to start his own channel. Paintings by Cat. All right. I'm excited about this. This is going to be pretty. Really bright. I'm going to start by just getting it going. There's my blob. Hold on. Now see how the scoop paint is helping it just, the pattern scoots, it doesn't roll under and disappear. The white paint will do that. And if it does, it's not as bad, so. Good grief, that's pretty. Make sure you're underneath, don't have those drips. Saves you some time later from having to get in and cut them out or something. Even if you've got it taped, it makes a little bit of a difference. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. All right. I think we're done on this one. That is awesome. Oh, I got a torch. Let me get gloves clean. We are 3 days out. It is perfectly dry. I've been stirring this for about 3 minutes. It's 30 mLs of part A, 30 mLs of part B on the KS resin. I do stir vigorously because I'm going to take heat to it, so we're going to get these bubbles popped. So that is not a concern of mine. So, and these little stir sticks, I just love them. They're down in the description on Amazon. I think they're $5.99 for 5 of them. All right, so now I am going to start pouring around this edge. And I'm going to set that right there. I'm going to try something. I thought about doing this and popping bubbles as I put it out. Yeah, I'm putting some. Quite a bit, actually. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay. So anyway, what I start off doing, oh, it heats it up, makes it a lot easier. Okay, there's something I've learned today. Yeah, sometimes it gets pretty thick and it's a little difficult. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get my edges done. I'll move it back where I had it because it was level on this. This table's got a little bit of slope to it, but it's in front of a window and I can really see good, so I'll move it back. You don't have to worry about the little marks you're leaving. This is self-leveling, so it's going to take care of itself. And don't put so much on the sides that they start dripping and falling off, because then you've just wasted some epoxy. I usually let these dry on a silicone mat. That way the drips, just peel them right off. And it lays flat, not like this tablecloth. You don't want it catching on the bottom and being stuck. Yeah, I think heating up the epoxy was a good idea. I've never done that before. sides are good. Okay. Now we have a couple of options. Either kitchen torch or an embossing gun, heat gun, something like that. I like to use these just so I can get really down on it. And I'll come back and do this a couple more times. Give it about 5 minutes or so, let some things rise up, and you go over it again. So I do it 2, 3, 4 times in the first 30 minutes, something like that. So that is it. I love how the epoxy just brightens it. I just love it. Okay, y'all go have fun.